Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Super Cool Couponer. Today I will show you my CVS deal update on Sunday February 14 to Saturday February 20, 2021. These are all digital and printable deal. Before we start, make sure you send to all your manufacturer digital coupon on your CVS app so you can combine with the digital and printable coupon deal. So let's look at the first deal. So my first deal, it's Colgate toothpaste deal. Buy 2 Colgate toothpaste and get back $5 ECB. They have limit 2 per household. It's on sale $3.49 each. You can buy 4 Colgate Max Fresh toothpaste. It's $13.96. It's $3.49 each. Also, you can use one $3 off $12 Colgate Oral Care CVS CRT. Also, we have right now 4 75 cent off Colgate Optic White Sensitive and Max Fresh printable coupon on Colgate.com. The total coupon is $6. Pay or roll $7.96 and get back $10 ECB. The final cost is free plus $2.04 money maker. The next deal is if you have this 4 of 16 Colgate CVS CRT, you can do this deal together. Select Colgate 360 or Total Care Oral Care purchase and Colgate toothpaste deal. Spend $10 on select Colgate 360 or Total Oral Care and get back $5 ECB. They have limit 2 per household. Also, you can buy 2 Colgate toothpaste and get back $5 ECB. They have limit 2 per household. Buy 2 Colgate Total Mouthwash 16.9 OZ. It's $11.18. It's $5.59 each. Also, you can combine with this deal Colgate Max Fresh toothpaste. It's $6.98. It's $3.49 each. Altogether, the totals come out $18.16. You can use one $4 of $16 Colgate Oral Care CVS CRT. Also, we have two 75 cent of Colgate toothpaste printable coupon on Colgate.com and use two 75 cent of Colgate mouthwash printable coupon on Colgate.com. The total coupon is $7. Pay or roll $11.16 and get back $5 ECB for mouthwash and get back $5 ECB for toothpaste. The final cost is only just $1.16 or 29 cents each. The next deal is select Chris toothpaste, mouthwash and Oral-B power toothbrush deal. Spend $12 and get back $4 ECB. They have limit 2 per household. It's on sale $6.99 each. Buy one Crest gum detoxify toothpaste is $6.99 and also you can buy one Crest 3D whitening charcoal toothpaste. It's $6.99. Altogether the totals come out $13.98. You can use one $4 off 14 Crest toothpaste toothbrush CVS CRT. Also, we have one $3 off gum detoxify toothpaste digital coupon and one $3 off Crest 3D whitening therapy charcoal toothpaste digital coupon. The total coupon is $10. Pay or roll $3.98 and get back $4 ECB. The final cost is free. The next deal is select Crest Oral Care or Bud Bees deal. Buy 2 Crest toothpaste and get back $3 ECB. They have limit 2 per household. Buy 4 Crest Plus Scoop Complete Whitening Toothpaste 2 pack. It's $19.96. It's $4.99 each. Use one $4 off $20 Crest toothpaste or toothbrush CVS CRT. Also, we have one $5 off 3 Crest toothpaste digital coupon. It's available on February 14th. Also, you can use one $2 off Crest toothpaste digital coupon. The total coupon is $11. Pay or roll $8.96 and get back $6 ECB. The final cost is only just $2.96 or 74 cents each. The next deal is CoverGirl cosmetic deal. Buy 2 CoverGirl product and get back $6 ECB. They have limit 1 per household. Buy one CoverGirl Brow and Eye Maker eyeliner. It's $6.49. Also, you can buy one CoverGirl clean press powder. It's $8.49. The totals come out $14.98. Use one $3 or $15 any cosmetic CVS CRT. Also, you can use one $3 of CoverGirl mystery coupon. It's available on February 14th. Also, we have one $2 of CoverGirl Eye digital coupon and one $2 of CoverGirl Face digital coupon. The total coupon is $10. Pay or roll $4.98 and get back $6 ECB. The final cost is free plus $1.02 money maker. The next deal is Joa Cosmetic deal. Spend $15 on Joa Cosmetic and get back $10 ECB. They have lipstick. It's $5.99. The totals come out $14.98. Use one $3 or $15 any cosmetic CVS CRT. Pay or roll $11.98 and get back $10 ECB. The final cost is only just $1.98 or 98 cents each. The next deal is Select Neutrogena Cosmetic Deal Scenario 1. Buy 2 Neutrogena Cosmetic and get back $6 ECB. They have limit 1 per household. Buy 2 Neutrogena Makeup Remover Facial Cleansing Towel Wipe 21 CT. It's $15.18. It's $7.59 each. Also, you can use one $3 or $15 cosmetic CVS CRT. Also, this one is attaching with the wipe $4 of Neutrogena Face Cosmetic digital coupon, but this one is expired on February 14th. So if you are doing this deal, you can just do only this deal on Sunday. Also, if you have this $3 of Neutrogena Cosmetic CVS CRT, the total coupon is $10. Pay or roll $5.18 and get back $6 ECB. The final cost is free plus $1.18 money maker. Make sure to check which cosmetic product it's included because they say like Select Neutrogena Cosmetic. The next deal is Select Neutrogena Cosmetic Deal Scenario 2. Buy 2 and get back $6 ECB. They have limit 1 per household. Buy 2 Neutrogena Hydro Boost Foundation Stick. It's $35.98. It's $17.99 each. Also, you can use one buy one get one free Neutrogena Hydro Boost Foundation Stick CVS CRT. Also, we have one $4 of Neutrogena Face Cosmetic digital coupon, but this one is expired on February 14th. Also, we have one $3 of Neutrogena Cosmetic CVS CRT, and also you can use one $5 of 2 Neutrogena Cosmetic CVS CRT. The total coupon is $29.99. Pay or roll $5.99 and get back $6 ECB. The final cost is free. In this deal also you can make sure which cosmetic is included on Neutrogena. The next deal is Select Eucerin or Aqua 4D. Spend $20 and get back $10 ECB. It's also limit 1 per household. Buy 2 Eucerin Skin Calming Cream 8 oz. It's $19.98. It's $9.99 each. Also, you can use one $4 of $20 any lotion CVS CRT. Also, we have two $3.50 of Eucerin lotion printable coupon on eucerinus.com. The total coupon is $11. Pay or roll $8.98 and get back $10 ECB. The final cost is free plus $1.02 money maker. The next deal is Nivea lotion and Nivea men's save product deal. Buy 2 Nivea lotion or save product and get back $5 ECB. They have limit 1 per household. Buy 2 Nivea body lotion 8.4 oz. It's $12.58. It's $6.29 each. Use one $3 of $10 lotion CVS CRT. Also, we have one $2.50 of Nivea lotion printable coupon on coupon.com and one $2.50 of Nivea lotion digital coupon. The total coupon is $8. Pay or roll $1.58 and get back $5 ECB. The final cost is only free plus $3.42 money maker. The next deal is buy 2 Nivea lotion and get back $5 ECB and spend $20 on Eucerin or Aquaphor lotion and get back $10 ECB. You can do this deal together if you have this $4 of $20 CVS CRT and $3.50 of $15 any lotion care CVS CRT. You can do this deal together. Buy 1 Nivea breathable body lotion 13.5 oz, it's $8.79. Also, you can attach with this deal Nivea body lotion 8.4 oz, it's $6.29. Buy 2 Eucerin skin calming cream 8 oz, it's $19.98, it's $9.99 each. The totals come out $35.06. Use one $4 of $20 any lotion CVS CRT. Also, you can use one $3.50 of $15 any lotion CVS CRT. Also, we have one $3 of Nivea breathable lotion digital coupon, and also we have one $2.50 of Nivea lotion digital coupon. Also, you can use this $3.50 of Eucerin lotion printable coupon on eucerinus.com. The total coupon is $20. Pay or roll $15.06 and get back $10 ECB and get back $5 ECB. The final cost is only just 6 cents. The next deal is select Degree X Suava or Dove deodorant deal. Spend $30 on deodorant and get back $10 ECB. They have limit 1 per household. It's on sale. Buy one get one 50% off. Buy 4 Degree Woman Sour Clean Deodorant 2.6 oz, it's total $17.36. It's $5.79 each. Buy 2 Degree Men and Deodorant 2.6 oz, it's $8.68. It's $5.79 each. Also, they have buy one get one 50% off. Also, you can attach with this deal Degree Woman Sour Clean Deodorant $4.29. The totals come out $30.33. Use one $2 of 10 Dove Degree Deodorant CVS CRT. Also, you can use one $3 of 2 Degree Woman digital coupon. Also, you can use one $3 of 2 Dove or Degree Woman printable coupon on coupon.com. Also, we have one $3 of 2 Degree Man digital coupon. Also, we have one 75¢ of Degree Woman deodorant digital coupon and one $1 of Degree Man digital coupon. This is possibly glitch. Also, this one may be possibly glitch $1 of Degree Invisible Woman digital coupon. The total coupon is $13.75. Pay or roll $16.58 and get back $10 ECB. The final cost is only just $6.58 or 94 cents each. The next deal is Speed Stick or Lady Speed Stick deal. Buy 2 and get back $2 ECB. They have limit 1 per household. It's on sale 2 for $6. Buy 2 Speed Stick deodorant, it's $6. Use one $1 of 2 Speed Stick CVS CRT. Also, you can use 2 50¢ of Lady Speed Stick printable coupon on speedstick.com. The total coupon is $2. Pay or roll $4 and get back $2 ECB. The final cost is only just $2 or $1 each. The next deal is Iris Spring Body Wash deal. Buy one body wash and get back $2 ECB. It's limit 3 per household. It's on sale $3.99 each. Buy 2 Iris Spring Body Wash 18 FL OZ. It's $7.98. It's $3.99 each. Use 2 75% of Iris Spring Body Wash coupon on irispring.com. Use one $2 of 2 Iris Spring Body Wash CVS CRT. Also, you can use one $2 of $8 Body Wash CVS CRT. The total coupon is $5.50. Pay or roll $2.48 and get back $4 ECB. The final cost is free plus $1.52 money maker. The next deal is Gillette and Venus razor or refill deal. Buy 2 Gillette or Venus razor and get back $8 ECB. They have limit 1 per household. Buy 1 Venus woman razor is $9.99. Also, you can buy 1 Gillette men's skin guard razor. It's $11.29. The totals come out $21.28. Use one $5 off $20 any razor or refill CVS CRT. Use one $3 off Gillette or Venus razor CVS CRT. Also, you can attach with this deal $6 off 2 Gillette or Venus razor CVS CRT. The total coupon is $14. Pay or roll $7.28 and get back $8 ECB. The final cost is free plus 72-cent money maker. The next deal is baby care deal. Spend $30 on baby care product and get back $10 ECB. They have limit 1 per household. Buy 1 pull-ups new leaf girl training pant 14 CT. It's $9.99. Also, you can buy 1 Huggies Little Movers diaper 19 CT. It's $9.99. Buy 2 CVS Health Ultra Sensitive Baby Wipe 3 pack. It's $10.48. It's $6.99 each, and also they have buy one get one 50% off. The totals come out $30.46. Use one $5 off $30 any baby care purchase CVS CRT. Also, you can use one $3 off pull-ups new lift training pant digital coupon, and also you can use one $2 off Huggies diaper digital coupon. It's available on February 14th. We have one $2 off CVS Health baby wipe app only coupon. The total coupon is $12. Pay or roll $18.46 and get back $10 ECB. The final cost is only just $8.46 or $2.11 each. The next deal is household deal scenario 1. Spend $20 and get back $5 ECB. They have limit 1 per household. Buy 3 Pantene shampoo or conditioner 17.7 to 20.1 oz. It's $15. They have on sale 3 for $15. Also, you can buy 1 Pantene shampoo or conditioner 12.6 oz. It's $4.99 each. The totals come out $19.99. Use one $4 off $18 any shampoo conditioner CVS CRT. Also, you can use one $5 off 3 Pantene shampoo digital coupon. The total coupon is $9. Pay or roll $10.99 and get back $5 ECB. The final cost is only just $5.99 or $1.49 each. The next deal is household deal scenario 2. Spend $20 and get back $5 ECB. They have limit 1 per household. Buy 1 Tide liquid 90 to 200 oz. It's $11.94. Also, you can buy 1 Tide Pod 21 to 35 CT. It's $11.94. Altogether, the totals come out $23.88. Use one $3 of Tide liquid digital coupon. Also, you can use one $3 of Tide Pod digital coupon, and if you have this $4 of $20 any Tide product CVS CRT, you can combine with this deal. The total coupon is $10. Pay or roll $13.88 and get back $5 ECB. The final cost all product is only just $8.88 or $4.44 each. The next deal is L'Oreal facial care deal. Spend $30 and get back $10 ECB. They have limit 1 per household. Buy 1 L'Oreal Paris Revita Lift Serum. It's $32.79. Use 2 $5 of $15 L'Oreal Paris facial care CVS CRT. Also, you can use one $6 of L'Oreal Paris Revita Lift CVS CRT. Also, you can use one $5 of L'Oreal Paris Revita Lift CVS CRT. Also, we have right now one $2 of L'Oreal Paris facial care digital coupon. The total coupon is $23. Pay or roll $9.79 and get back $10 ECB. The final cost is free. The next deal is healthcare deal. Zyrtec allergy relief medicine deal. Buy one Zyrtec and get back $3 ECB. They have limit 1 per household. Buy one Zyrtec 24 hours allergy liquid gel 25 CT, it's $19.99. Use one $3 off $20 healthcare product CVS CRT. Also, we have one $4 off adult Zyrtec product any variety 24 to 60 CT digital coupon. The total coupon is $7. Pay or roll $12.99 and get back $3 ECB. The final cost is only just $9.99 each. The next deal is vitamin deal. Select Nature Nature Bounty or CVS Health Vitamin. They have on sale buy one get one free. Buy two Nature Bounty Biotin tablet 5000 mg 45 CT, it's $12.49. It's buy one get one free. Also, you can buy 4 Nature Made Zinc 30 mg tablet 100 CT, it's $8.38. It's also on sale buy one get one free. The totals come out $20.87. Use one $4 off $20 any vitamin CVS CRT. Also, you can use $1 off Nature Bounty vitamin digital coupon. Also, we have one $2 off 2 Nature Made vitamin digital coupon. This one is expired on February 15th. Also, if you have this $2 off any Nature Bounty CVS CRT, the total coupon is $9. Pay or roll $11.87. The final cost is only just $1.97 each. The next deal is 4 deal Arizona tea deal. It's on sale 4 for $2. Buy 12 Arizona sweet tea, it's $6. Use $1 off $6 any beverage purchase CVS CRT. Pay or roll $5. The final cost is only just 42 cents each. This is my last and final deal. It's select gold amber, mixed nut or almond. It's on sale 2 for $10. Buy 2 golden amber, mixed nut or almond $10. Use one $2 off $8 gold amber and abound nut or salty snack CVS CRT. Pay or roll $8. The final cost is only just $4 each. So friend, this is my next week CVS couponing deal update. I hope this deal is helpful to you. If do, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye. See you.